Yo, what's up, you guys? Look, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about mindset, right? Sometimes we don't take advantage of opportunities that may come to us because of our limited beliefs that's in our mind, right? Like, we sit here and we think the normal way that we was taught, right, about life is how it's supposed to go. Like waking up every morning, going to school every day for 8 hours a day, right? Then being told what to do every single day by your teachers, which leads into then when you leave school, going to work for somebody and things like that. We're not really taught about credit, how important credit is, ways that you can leverage credit to make money, make your money work for you, right? Make your assets work for you. Because they don't want you to, you know what I mean? They don't want you to know those type of things. They don't want you to know the true power of credit, right? That's why they set up the credit bureau system. That way it could kind of, honestly, it fucks you over, right? You go apply for one or two things and then you start getting denied for shit because you got too many inquiries and you look thirsty to the bureau. Like, they set that shit up like that on purpose so they can keep us back, so they can keep us in the rat race, so they can keep us working that 9 to 5, right? I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of trading my time for money, right? I was tired of that. So, that's why I did what I did, right? That's why I really bought mentorships. I got mentored by people that know a lot about credit, right? And then I learned how to do it. And I ran through these motions myself. I personally ran through these things, so I know that they work. You know what I mean? I went from 600 credit scores up to, 780s, 800 credit scores. I went and got 30 cars that I turned into a rental car business. You know what I mean? I've created automations to make my rental car business passive for me. It's about 95% passive. Nothing's 100% passive. So these gurus out here that tell you guys, oh, it's 100% passive. It's not. It's not possible. You can't do that. As a business owner, it can't be 100% passive unless you have a digital product that you run marketing for that pays you every single month, that you don't have to do anything but release the materials, right? But that's not a true mentor. That's just a course. You're just getting a course. You know what I mean? When you purchase something, purchase mentorship. You know what I mean? Mentors that teach you how to do what, they did so they can get you to that level. Me and all my team been through these steps. We've already went through this. So we know how powerful credit is. We're leveraging that every single day. I'm from Shreveport, Louisiana. I'm in Florida. You see the palm trees? I'm in Florida. You know what I mean? we're not going to get into it, but I'm in $1 million home, because I've built up to that and I've done that. And I didn't get it from no 9 to 5. I would never be able to accomplish things that I've accomplished on my own time and with my own income, working for somebody else, because they really don't care about you. You know what I mean? Your 9 to 5 does not care. You are a number. You leave that shit, they're going to have somebody right back in the door the next day. They got interviews. They got people waiting to take your spot. So why are you letting your life depend upon somebody else's journey? That's their business. They own that business. You're going to really let your life be decided and your faith be decided by somebody else? That ain't how it works. At one point, you got to take action, bro. You got to take action. You got to invest in yourself. You got to really make that change. There's no need. You can Google stuff. You can YouTube stuff. You can learn information all day long. We got the internet, right? Internet is there to teach us that. Like, we learn that stuff from the internet. But being mentored on it so that it works with a proven system, that's what the difference is. You guys just got to take action. We watch these videos and we want to do these things and we're like, oh, I'm going to replace my 9 to 5 and I'm going to go start real estate, or I'm going to have an Airbnb business, or I'm going to have a rental car business, or I'm just going to get good credit and go get some funding and business funding so I can have capital to grow my side hustle. That side hustle's only your side hustle because you don't have time to put all into it. You got a job that's taking your time. You know what I mean? That's why it's a side hustle. Because you damn sure wouldn't work your 9 to 5 and then go back to a side hustle and continue to do work if it wasn't something that you were passionate about and you loved. So being in a position to turn your side hustle into your actual source of income, that's how you achieve your dreams, right? That's how you reach your goals. All high, right? Oh, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be a business owner. I'm gonna do this. And then you let negativity or people that don't really influence you in a positive way bring you right back down to the normal, right? You got to take action. You got